Electric Vehicle Resource Stock, MP. MP Materials Corporation. MP Materials owns and operates Mountain Pass, North America's only comprehensive rare earth mining and processing facility. Powerful rare earth magnets that convert energy into motion, could fully support the green technologies of the future, electric cars, wind turbines, drones, and more. According to the company profile, MP Materials Corporation belongs to materials industry and materials sector. It was founded in January 24, 2020. Previous close, 40.96. Exchange, NYSE. Shares outstanding, 170.72 million. Market cap, 6.675 billion. Total assets, 346.31 million. Total liabilities, 15.61 million.